2019 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, backup camera, lane departure warning, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.